All right, so PHP validate run, whether the linter is run on save or on type. Now you have two options here, on save or on type, obviously, and by default it's set to on save. And to me, this doesn't make really much of a difference because I have auto saving after a delay. So after 1 second, the file will be automatically saved, which means that the linting will be automatically run, right? So I can show you that by just creating an error, and notice the dirty circle that shows up while the file is not saved. As soon as it gets saved, the error shows up. So it doesn't really make a difference. However, you might not be using save after delay, and I would rather have actually save on type. I mean lint on type, because it's it's just a tiny bit faster. So my save after delay saves the file after 1 second, then it goes to the linter and the linter responds with the errors that it finds. On type happens just a little bit sooner in my case. If you don't have save after delay, obviously it's going to happen a lot sooner. So it's only going to lint after you press Command S or Control S on Windows. So I'm going to leave this one set to on type, and just to show you how that works, it's just a little tiny bit faster. Not sure if you can notice that, but it is.